Next, we have a presentation by Ryan Guidry on Zylight products. Zylight's been a sponsor of Digital Cinema Society for quite a few years, and tell us about the newest lights.
All right, thanks, Jim. Thanks, Jim. I'm here to show you guys a few new things. I believe the first thing on my slide from Zylight is going to be our new Go panel. So this was debuted at NAB this past year and won Product of the Year at NAB. It won a Cinnamon 5D award as well as a TV Europe Product of the Year. So this is a 100 watt, 3100 to 6000 Kelvin bicolor light. It has plus minus green, but probably the coolest aspect of this fixture that most likely won all those awards is what we call active diffusion. So I'll get behind here and I can actually bring down the diffusion on this panel and bring it clear as well as bring it back up. So there's an LCD screen in front of the LEDs themselves, and this is causing, diffusion to the panel. So Zylight was the first to incorporate this technology in one of the panels. Again, 100 watt IP65 weather protection. So, you're running gun shooters, your ENG guys, or just anybody that needs a compact light that's on location, this is most likely the light for you. Right? Other than that, it's going to have this kind of like Kino Flow mount on the back. So battery plates can go back here. The AC adapter brick can get a mount back here so you don't have to use this bag, as well as RJ45 connectors behind here. And if you wanted to, there is wireless DMX capabilities. So we're very, very excited about this brand new product. It's going to be shipping next week, so we can take orders now. So the next thing I want to talk about is actually just in my pocket here. This is probably one of the world's smallest V-mount batteries. So it's a 14.4 volt battery on here. It is a 50 watt hour battery. On the top, I have USB outputs. I have USB, USB-A, as well as USB-C, and of course a D-tap on the side here. So this has been very popular with us. It kind of got our foot in the door many places. These are probably the smallest battery, and it actually has a big brother in the Nano 2. Obviously both of them very small. Back one can fit in my back pocket here, and again just a little bit bigger than the palm of my hand. 14.4 volts, nice little LCD screen on top, shows you how much battery you got left, shows you the output as well as the plate output as well as the USB output. Same thing here, USB, USB-A, USB-C, in and out on those, and of course the D-tap on the side. Of course, we have all these accessories for it. So the top left here is a belt clip accessory, as well as stacking accessories to put it on the back of your camera right here, and you see in the bottom middle, and it's applied on the right, as well as on the left side, a stand mount. And then the last thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is this bad boy. And now this is a mega battery. Now there's a lot of fixtures coming out with 26 volt options or 48 volt options. We know the RE has fixtures that require that voltage input, and other manufacturers as well. And this is going to give you that output without having to rig any special connections or adapters to convert 14.8 volt or 26 volt into a 48 volt solution. So this is just a large battery. We call it the mega battery. On this one in particular, I'm able to charge my fixtures, get a 28 volt output, a 15 volt output, so 14.8, 15, and as well as a 48 volt output there. So just runtime on that. The RE S60, a lot of people will just use as a 28 volt output on that, but when you use that, you can't have full output on the fixture itself. So using a 48 volt solution would allow you to do that. This one happens to be the 1232 watt hours. So for that, you'll get over 2.5 hours on the S60. I have a 620 watt hour version as well. For that, you're going over an hour on that fixture. Again, high currents up to 40 amps. Its operation conditions, as far as weather goes, it can operate up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit or below freezing at this point, so it's a very rugged battery and it's going to stand up to those outdoor conditions, extreme conditions. I have some MSRP pricing at the bottom here, but if you'd like to see more information on the Go panel, the Mega battery, or these nano batteries, I'm just on the other side of that curtain there. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Thank you.